What's happening, guys? Safety Liner C2 here. So I figured since I got another video uploading, I might as well just make another video while I'm doing this. So I'm in ROR, if you hadn't figured out. Rockton County, if any of y'all are wondering. ROCKTON County. I have no idea when the last time I was here was, so I really don't know where I'm going. As you can see, I'm in a Bluebird SBVC. Basically, if you don't know what that is, they didn't make them for very long. I loved them though. We never had any, but first time using this bus. I've used another one like it, but basically it's an IC chassis, a CE chassis, or a Durastar chassis, and they put it on a Bluebird. They made them 2005, 6, and 7. And they had all the Durastar stuff. So it was pretty much like an IC, but a Bluebird. And if you listen, you can hear a international parking brake. Listen. So I'll turn it up a little bit. Because that's what I heard about 10 minutes ago, you know. You know, because I just got off the bus, and of course I ride a CE300 6197. That's the video I'm uploading right now, bus ride. So this week went by really slow. I don't know about you guys, but to me it went really slow. So a few shoutouts. 69 the special, yes, that is a channel. And that is my brother's, so that's the only reason I'm doing it, because he just put up a video like a week ago, and just make him happy, somewhat. He's a skater, BMXer guy, nothing like me. And then another one to WWE fan 1998 1000, I think that's what it is, but he's one of my friends, and he's been on a little less than a year, and I'm helping him make some stuff, so just a few shoutouts. Go check out their channels. Yeah. Do expect some videos this weekend. I've got a lot to upload, and I have been taking my SD cards out of my phone and uploading them out of my old phones, actually, so I've got 3 phones that I have searched through, and I've looked and found a lot of videos and pictures and whatnot, so and most of them are like 1 or 2 years old, so it's kind of awkward for me to watch because I have a really high voice. It's like, and I'm just like, well, that's abnormal. So, you know, just be on the lookout for those. I'll put one up whenever I can, whenever I have some free time. But expect a rant video from me. It's probably going to be a really long video. But you'll figure it out. You'll figure out what it is sooner or later. Dude, there's nothing up here. Oh, is this a highway up here? But like I said, this is Rockton County, if you want to get this. And I know I've had a lot of people ask me what this game is, so I might as well just say it right here. This is Rigs of Rods. What the heck? Is the turn signal on? I can't tell. There it goes. But, yeah, this is Rigs of Rods. It's a truck car simulator game. And that's pretty fun, and you can make your own, except for I have no idea how. But, you know, it's a fun game to play. And I find that they are pretty popular on YouTube, so. Let's stop at this house up here and see if I can get a some morning lights on for you guys. Let's see, I want C. So let's see. And let's stop right. I like this bus a lot. Let's see how far I can go without falling off. Oh geez. Oh geez, no! No! Whoa, no. That was pretty good. But backspace. Boom. Now, let's see if I can get uphill. Probably have to put it in only first gear. There we go, we're getting somewhere now. Shift a second. And there we go. Wow, well, that certainly was interesting. So, let's do another stop up here. Let's stop right up here. What the heck? It's in neutral, as you can see. Oh, and I put the four-ways on, the turning signals on. Well, that's what they did in Maryland, so I just felt bored and I decided I would do that just because I can, because I'm special like that. And I can't get through there, can I? Yeah, we can try and fit through there. And that's what she said. So, gotta end this segment. And back in the second segment, because my camera ran out of time, because I can only record 8 minutes and 11 seconds at a time, which I think is crap. I mean, I understand it, but why 8 minutes and 11 seconds? Why can't it be something different, some other number? Oh, that's a crappy horn. Y'all hear that? Next time I'm backing up, I'm just gonna honk the horn and see what people do. Because I swear I hit about 3 cars the other day. Like, because I was turning into a parking lot. And I was about to hit one. And then I backed up and I almost hit another. And then I was parking somewhere else. I almost hit another one. Because it was in a cul-de-sac, so... You know. And why can I not get over there? Can I get over? Yeah, well, I guess I can't get over there. Whatever. Well, I'll find some way to get over there. Well, I think that's y'all's video. You want to see me drive another bus, just let me know. Because you know, I've got time, but just let me know what you guys want to see. I'm I've got a little bit to do this weekend, but not much. So, yeah, make sure you guys subscribe and like and all that other stuff. And I would do my little outro thing, but I don't want to. I'd just rather watch the bus spin around and drink some of my Dr. Pepper. So, yeah, see you next video.